This tutorial video will show you how to convert image to PDF.
Open your browser and search image to PDF. So once you search for image to PDF, you come to smallpdf.com here. I will put in the link to the site in the video description so that you can easily get access to the site. Click on the site. Once you click on the site, you're going to be redirected into the site, and then you are to choose your file. Just click on choose files, then open your phone storage, select the image you want to convert, then you click on convert. You can see convert up here. If you have to add another file, just click on add file. Open your storage, select the image you want to add. So you can keep adding images like that. If the image you want to add into it is more than one, so if the image you want to add is more than one, so you can just open your storage, then select the image you want to add. So select your image. Once the image has been selected, then you click on convert. Then wait for some minutes for your images to be converted into PDF. Then you can click on download here. So you can see now our images has been converted into PDF. So this is just the way you can use to convert your images into PDF using your smartphone. Please, if you've learned one or two things from this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and as well you can comment, subscribe in the comment section so that I can give you a welcoming hug. Thanks for watching.